Yeah, so I'm back with a part two to connecting to nature. Everything is connected. So, where I left off at, or was about to start saying, is about food and what your vessel needs to enable you to be back with nature recognizing you, let's say. Well, as I said before, everything is connected. We all are connected to nature. We're connected, but consciously, mentally connected is another thing. So, look what's happening. We need to eat nuts and grains, fruit and veg, and the real stuff, things with seeds in it, and plenty of it. And that way, nature can recognize you because your blood and your aura and everything's giving off the light that recognizes you. And that way you can be in flow with it. I'll show you.